promptly and hang 5.
But Grammy.
Grammys?
No compliment. Beach clothes. Should have worn our baggies.
May we join you?
Drop back a line, Buzzy. This is you.
Oh.
Time for the rub.
What else is new?
Barbara had to go back to the library, but she told me to keep an eye on the girl behind the counter.
You mean the one talking to her hot dog?
You're sleeping with a couple of antique beachcombers who are asking some questions about hot dog hairnet.
Oh, thanks, Undine. But forget hot dog. The hooded hodads are sure to find me, and I'll be ready for them.
What are you doing?
Oh, a simple experiment, my boy. Through my latest invention, the Surfing Experience and Ability Transferometer, all your surfing know-how will be drained out of you and transferred to me. Oh, hook me up, Riptide, hook me up. And don't forget to switch on the bigger reverser, so that all his youthful energy will be pumped into my blood and bones.
What's this on the back computer? Picture of 2 naked feet.
Yes, I thought these new illustrated bat slides might prove a bit of a novelty, sir.